This is a how to reset your check engine light using this scan tool. This one's a performance tool. The number is W2977, and I bought this a couple of years ago for about $25 plus shipping. Now you can buy the same one for $28 with free shipping, or they came out with a W300 version multi-scan or maxi-scan tool that looks and functions the exact same, has the same software, same options, same color scheme, same everything. And these scanners are specific to OBD II ports, so 96 on up, primarily domestic vehicles, but some foreign vehicles as well. We'll plug this into our port down here. There we go. And that turns it on. Then we need to turn the computer on. So you have that check engine light. And we'll go ahead and enter. We got our DTC codes right there. We can scroll, we can erase them, we can look at them. If you have different emission things you have to do, then you can scroll through here to help you get ready for an emissions test, which is pretty handy. I live in Alaska, we don't have to do that, so none of these things are real relevant to what I need it for. You can check your bin number, and then of course we could rescan and read those codes. And we got a P0543, which is an air intake heater malfunction. And ours is malfunctioning because we removed it completely. So we're going to go ahead and scroll down to erase. We want to erase that. Yes, we do. Erase is done. Let's go ahead and turn this truck on. And she's gone. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button so we can get this content out in front of other people who might need this information or find it useful. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and you can also check out my channel, and I got tons of content for you to check out. So, thank you for watching. We will see you on the next one.